I had a really good day today, and I'm actually really excited to just relax in the kitchen tonight and just spend some time making dinner. My husband's at the gym right now, so I'm gonna get started on dinner so that we can eat when he gets home. I've been feeling a little bit dehydrated today, so instead of doing like a soda or something, I'm just doing some of these Good Anya electrolytes. So good. Ow. These croutons, they turned out so good. I used this roasted garlic oil. It's a collab with Algae Cooking Club and Nara Smith. It is so good.